This is going to be a video on the 3 accessories I think are the best for the GoPro camera. And this should work on all of the GoPros that are out there that have the standard GoPro mounting. So let me show you all 3 of the accessories that I think I cannot do without on a daily basis when I'm using the GoPro. This is going to be a video review of the Smatree 4-in-1 aluminum thumb screw accessory tripod mount adapter. It's compatible for GoPro Session, the Hero, the Fusion, the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 Plus, the 3, the 2, the 1, the GoPro Hero, the 2018, the DJI, the Osmo action camera, just for almost all the cameras that have the standard GoPro mount. Here is the first accessory that I think everybody that is really into GoPros would be happy to have. So we've got a tripod mount. Let me take it out of the package as I'm talking. You know, most of the time you consider a GoPro, you put it on your bike, you take it in the water, you put it on your helmet, you put on a suction cup mount, and you take it somewhere. You don't really think of putting it on a tripod. But the cool thing is, if you have this, you're going to use this on your tripod, and you're going to get a lot more action out of your camera if you own this. So I'm going to put a link in the description of this video if you want to click on it to order it from Amazon. It'll be an affiliate link. It will help me out, and it will let you get this item. So let's check it out. Let's see what it comes with. It comes with, you know, the nice thing about this is an aluminum mount. This is aluminum. None of that cheap plastic stuff that you're getting when you get the camera. This is an aluminum mount. Comes with a stainless steel nut on here in case you want to use it. You might not need it if you're going to be using the standard GoPro. Comes with O-rings for the screws on here if you need it. Here is a nice thing, a nice addition. Comes with a metal wrench. So you're able to put this on the standard GoPro and tighten things down if you need to. So why do you want something like this? As I said, if you're going to be using a tripod, it has a 1/4 screw hole in there. So let me show you when you would use something like this. You take your GoPro, get the nut on whichever side you want, take the threaded piece, turn it in. Now if you're using this, you don't need the nut that comes with it, but on some occasions you might want to put the nut on here for extra added protection. The screws, I said, is a 1/4 and it is about 2.2 inches. So, I mean, that's it. You don't even need to, unless you feel the need to use the wrench to torque this down a little bit. The nice thing is that if you want to, if you need to, you have got an aluminum mount. So it's not that cheap plastic that is going to crack. I've got my miniature table tripod over here. So all you do, whether you're using a small table tripod or a standard floor tripod, just screw the bottom of the tripod into the threading. There it is, the perfect mount. Now I can control my GoPro on a tripod, so I will have even more stability. Again, you've got these nice thumb screws that it comes with. Comes with the wrench. Comes with the O-rings. I'm not sure anybody's going to need those. Comes with the nuts in case you're going to want to put your 2 nuts on there. Okay, I had to turn off the camera for a minute after I said that comment. Okay, and what else is there that I like about this? Just that it is solid, it's heavy duty, it's not plastic, and I can now use my GoPro on a tripod. The thing costs next to nothing. It's like $12, $13 or something, $12.99. It's a great price. It's a good, solid piece of machining work, and you're going to use it a lot. So I consider this one of the top 3 things that you need to have if you own a GoPro. This is the second most important accessory I think you need if you are a GoPro professional. This is the Smatree HotShoe adapter. And let's talk about this now. This is going to be a review of the HotShoe mount adapter that is made by Smatree. It's a full aluminum HotShoe adapter, and it comes with a plastic screw. This is made for the GoPro session, the Hero Fusion, the 7, 6, 5, 4, the 3 Plus, the 3, the GoPro Hero 2018. It works on the DJI Osmo. It works on everything that's going to have this type of a GoPro mount. So let me talk about it. So the advantage of a HotShoe adapter is that you can mount your GoPro onto a HotShoe. Now you're not going to be connecting it to get the electrical connection for the HotShoe. You're just going to be using it as a mount. And it has a really nice advantage when you're doing that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the mount. The screw also comes with a nut, let me say that. You probably won't need the nut, but if you're worried about having this on securely, you might want to use the nut. It's already got a built-in threaded nut over there. So I am going to, oh, that is a nice fit. Usually you have to maneuver around to get an adapter to fit into a GoPro, but not with this one. Okay, so let's get this screwed into the hole, feed it through. We'll go all the way through. We'll get this threaded. Now this is only going to work if you have a HotShoe on your camera, your camcorder, your SLR. This is a HotShoe. Not all cameras are going to have it. Some cameras might have the ability for a HotShoe adapter. If it does, you just have to find out which one's going to work on your camera. This is a 4K Panasonic that I just picked up. So I'm going to pop my HotShoe in. And then what I can do now is I can slide this into, it's just like a standard tripod where you've got the screw down piece to tighten things down. So I can slide this into my HotShoe, and then I can tighten it down. Sorry, my fingers are in the way. There's only so much I can show at once. Okay, so we've got that tightened down. Now I want to show you what the advantage is for me and why I think this is such a great item to have. For me, I want to be able to shoot my 4K with my new 4K camera. I want to be able to shoot video, but I also want to get the same type of capture with the GoPro. I love the GoPro wide. I love getting the wide view, seeing the clouds in the sky when I'm at the airport, taking video of the airplanes or wherever I'm going to be at the ocean. So I want to be able to get my 4K standard recording video, and I also want to get the GoPro action. The problem I had is that I did not have this Smatree product. So what I ended up doing is I was using the GoPro head strap, which was a nightmare, and I looked like an absolute fool. And then I used the chest strap, which is another thing that I really like. But the problem is that when you're using the chest strap and you're holding your camera at the same time, you're going to move your hands in front of your chest, and you're going to mess up the video you're taking on the GoPro. So this item costs under $11 as of right now. It is very easy. Believe me, when I go to the airport and I do my videos, to strap that thing around my body and then to clamp this on, it's a nightmare. It's a lot of trouble. This thing for a few dollars, I've solved my problem. Not only that, but you end up getting a view directly in line with what you want to record. Before, I would take my camera, I'd be pointing in one direction, I'd turn my body, and the GoPro would be in a different direction, and I just didn't have consistent video. So this is a really nice mount. It's solid, it's secure, very good price. Now all I have to do is hold the camera, and I can take my video from both cameras at the same time. And if you have an SLR, a DSLR, it's the exact same thing. You've got, just like any GoPro, you can loosen this and get a better angle. As far as turning, I don't believe this turns. I think I was looking, no, it doesn't. Okay, so I was looking, there were some companies that sold the HotShoe adapter that they allowed you to not only go up and down, but to go left and right. And a lot of the comments people were saying it was breaking, the thing was falling apart, things were cracking. And I thought, you know, this is a secure aluminum mount. The less problems, the better. Let me just buy this. It will be solid. I'll be able to angle up and down, which is really all I need. I don't really need to go left and right. In the video description, I'm going to leave a link so that you can purchase this from Amazon directly with my affiliate link. It will help me out. It will help you out, and we will both benefit. And thanks for watching. I really believe that this is the second most important item that a true GoPro professional is going to want to have. Here we have the GoPro chest mount harness. This is one of the 3 items that I believe are really important to have if you are a GoPro professional. So let me show you why I use it, when I think you can use it, and when I don't think you can use it. I'm going to put my camera on here now. I'm going to mount it. You just take your camera, comes with the little thumb screw, and you mount the camera. It's a little awkward at first to put this thing on the first time. I mean, the harness, it's just a little weird trying to figure out where the straps go, but after a couple times, it's going to be really easy for you to do. So let me get this mounted in here, and I will come back and continue the video. This is going to be a review of the GoPro chest mount for their cameras. It is the chest mount harness, and I'm going to show you why I really like it. It's got a tricky little way of taking this thing on and off. It's got a squeeze bracket over here. You squeeze that, and this side will come out. You can snap it back in, and then to remove it, you just squeeze the top and bottom piece. So you mount everything. I told you it's a little awkward to plug it in, see what you're doing, get it strapped in. So you have an adjustment for tightness going around your body. You have the upper straps, you can raise it way up to your neck, or you can put it way down to your belly. If you have a big belly, you might want to keep it up a little higher. So why do I like this? I used this last week. I put this on, put it on the body, strapped it on, took a sweatshirt, put it on, so the sweatshirt was covering over here, and I was able to walk down the street and get incredible video of life happening, action happening. I stood in front of a freeway. That's what I wanted to do, was get the cars going off the freeway off-ramp, flying through the lights, beeping, breaking traffic laws. I just wanted to show this is life, and you can do that with a bracket harness like this. For me, with the sweatshirt, you didn't see the straps, you didn't see this thing going around my body. All you saw was a sweatshirt, and if you were approaching from the side, you wouldn't see anything, and if you were in front, you probably wouldn't even notice. Let me get to the sweatshirt and show you. I am with the sweatshirt on, so I'm standing out in front of the freeway, getting some incredible video, walking down the sidewalk. By the time people notice what this is, I'm already passing by them. So you can get fabulous video, action video of the world around you, which I think, for me, that's what I like. If you were going to the beach, it's kind of a hassle to hold this. You might get better angles, or you might be able to do it a little bit more, but you go to the beach and you want to get some nice video of the waves splashing or the high tide coming in. This is it. Walking along the bike path, you'll get some really cool video, some action video of the bikes passing by you, people walking by you. So I think this is really important for capturing video, live videos that's happening, things around you, life. I've used this on my bike. I used it only once, and I'm going to use it again. Instead of using the handlebar mount, I just strapped this on my body, and even leaning forward, I was able to adjust this thing and raise the camera up a little bit. You can turn it down, but I was able to get the camera up enough so that when I was leaning forward, I got great video of the bike path and my bike ride. So I really like it. All right, that's going to be the end of the video. These are the 3 products that I think are the most important for me to use for taking my action video. It's not something you would use if you, obviously, if you're going into the ocean or the water, or if you're going to be on a skiing, but just for the type of GoPro work that I do, videos of the bike path, the ocean, walking around, seeing life, seeing people, seeing the sky, seeing the mountains, the hills, something like this, something like the tripod mount that I showed you, which I think is absolutely incredible, and the HotShoe adapter. Those 3 things, that's the way to go. I will be leaving the links for all 3 of these in the description, so you can order them from Amazon at my affiliate link. It will help me out. It will help you out. And hopefully you'll do a thumbs up, share, subscribe, like, comment, and I do hope that you gain something by watching this.